Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can play Brawl Star on PC. So this is the simple process that you need to follow to play Brawl Star on PC. So first step, you simply need to search for the blue stack. Okay, and here you can see play games on PC and Mac Android emulator. So basically this is, let me show you an option. So basically this is a software that you can use to play Android games into your PC. So once you download this from this website, that is BlueStack, it will take a few minutes to, I think, 20 to 30 minutes, and you need to once download this. So once you download this, after that you need to download Brawl Stars in. So let me search here if you can find here. Okay, so if you are unable to find, you can easily find onto the Google for PC. Okay, so once you download this game, you can easily play this onto the blue stack. So this is the process that you need to follow. First you need to download the blue stack, and after that you need to download Brawl Star on PC. Once your game is downloaded, you can easily enjoy this game onto your PC. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.